quick way to do this question is to look at the fast clock and the slow clock and see that by the time the slow clock has actually got to 0, so the same minute, the fast clock will already be 20 seconds past. And then by the time the fast clock gets to 60, the slow clock will only be on 40 seconds. So basically 40 seconds will have passed in the minute when they are the same, because after this, the fast clock will have moved on, and before this one, the slow clock will be on the previous minute. So it's 40 seconds out of the 60 that they're going to be in agreement, which is 2/3 of the time. Here's another way to think about it. We've got the actual number of seconds past the minute. We've got the fast clock, and we've got the slow clock. So when the actual is at 0 seconds, the fast will already be at 10 and the slow will be at -10. So they're not in agreement here. After 10 seconds, the fast will be on 20. The slow will be at 0. Actually, they'll be in agreement there. So 0 to 10, they won't be. It's actually 10 onwards that they will be. For 20, it will be 30 and 10. They'll be in agreement. They're both saying 30 seconds past the minute or 10 seconds. 30 becomes 40 and 20. Yep. 40 becomes 50 and 30. They're still saying the same minutes. 50 is going to be, well, it's actually going to have swapped over at that moment there. But we'll still say, like in the instantaneous moment before that 60, they'll be in agreement. And this will be at 40. But then when the actual is 60, this will have moved on back to 10 or -10, however you want to see it. And this one will be on 50. So what we see from this method is that between 10 and 50, they're in agreement. Okay, because the moment it is 10 seconds past, they'll be in agreement. The moment right before it's actually 50 seconds past, they'll be in agreement. And therefore, again, we get this 40-second interval where they're in agreement. So 40 over 60. Just a different way to think about it. So I hope one of those makes sense.